So you want to add your Trustpilot reviews for your business onto your Squarespace website. How do you do it? Well, luckily, using Trustpilot's embed and Squarespace's code blocks, we can do this pretty easily. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. So on our Trustpilot dashboard here, down the side, we want to go down to Share and Promote. So we click on this and we're going to go into All Widgets here. In All Widgets, you can select any of your embed codes here, depending on what style you want. You can see Carousel has a popular tag here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on this, and then you can see you can customize it a little bit in here, but we're just going to embed it for the sake of this video. So you can see a mock-up or a preview of what it's going to look like here on desktop, and then a mobile version there as well. All you need to do is click Get Code, and then you've got two codes here. So code number 1 is going to go into our website header. So if I click on Copy Code here, you can see it's being copied to the clipboard. I'm going to navigate to our site, and then I go into Pages, and then I go into Custom Code, Code Injection, and in the header, what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste that script. We click Save, and we go back. Now I'm thinking, okay, for my skydiving school, I want these reviews to sit here. So what I need to do to prep it is I'm going to make some space. So drag down your section here. We're going to add a block. We're going to grab a code block, and I'm going to align this nicely with the content above. So make sure it's all in line. I'm going to drag this up here, and then I'm going to get rid of this Hello World. Now, I'm going to head back into Trustpilot, and then I'm going to grab this code. So copy code, click done, and then we can shut down Trustpilot. So all I've got to do now is paste it in. You can see Trustpilot's going to come up here. And then when I hit save and exit, you can see our reviews are in here. So you've got a summary, and then you've got a carousel of reviews that people can click through as you go. It looks really nice, and it looks like it belongs on the site. Hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.